Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
The world is our stage, and the Naga College Foundation has a mission to prepare every student for their elite roles in the future. Here, we learn and we grow.
NESCA Class 2023 is candidate number 14, Iris Oresca of Naga City. Congratulations!
Once again, you're the Nagang Magayon 2024. Candidate number 18, Iris Oresca. Bring on the summertime.
I am Iris Ignacio Oresca, your Binibining Camarines Norte and Miss Kaogma 2023 and Daraga Magayon 2024. And I am a Tiger champion. Welcome to the home of the champions. Welcome to the V Gallery and Museum, NCF's very own cultural hub that houses the humble beginnings of the Naga College Foundation and its founder, Dr. Melchor T. Villanueva. Gallery and Museum is also a platform for promoting and preserving the Bicolano art and empowering Aragon artists. Now, let's leap into the future. This is the NCF CHS Skills Laboratory, the home of Alex, a state-of-the-art AI-powered patient model simulator which revolutionizes practical learning for medical and health services students. Hi, Alex.
Hello.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling fine.
Alex offers an interactive platform that replicates a wide range of clinical scenarios, ensuring that the students are equipped with the skills and efficiency to excel in the healthcare industry. Another NCF investment on innovation is the NCF Criminal Justice Education Indoor Firing Range, the first world-class indoor firing range in Bicol. NCF is one of the top 10 schools in the Philippines recognized by the Commission on Higher Education Central Office as the Center of Development in Criminology, the cradle of Bicolano top-notchers. NCF has unveiled its state-of-the-art Language Center of the Year. This facility designed to elevate global learning and cultural competence. We are setting new standards in international education and securing a future of success for our students. Welcome to the newly opened Tigers Cafe 3. Nestled just below the NCF Language Center, the Tigers Cafe experience is a delightful blend of culture and comfort. We embody the farm-to-table concept, ensuring every bite is packed with quality and flavor. So here at the Agri-Technopreneurship Development Center, an organic farm in Bicol is where some of the supply of fresh, organic ingredients come from, which go straight to Tigers Cafe. This is the NCF training pool, where aspiring Tiger champions in swimming hone their skills. This world-class swimming pool offers the perfect environment for achieving aquatic mastery. The NCF values unparalleled safety and swift emergency response. That's why our fleet of dedicated patrol cars and ambulance service ensure a secure campus. This fully equipped ambulance is ready to provide immediate medical assistance. Also, here at NCF, you can embark on the road to confidence and mastery with our very own LTO accredited driving academy. Our modern vehicles are equipped with the latest technology and guided by expert instructors, ensuring that you learn to navigate the roads with precision and responsibility. Let your dreams take flight here at the NCF Wings, your gateway to soaring career opportunities in the aviation industry. Aspiring Bicolano flight attendants undergo a rigorous training in the state-of-the-art facilities equipped with mock cabins and cutting-edge simulation technology. And speaking of cutting-edge technology, NCF is a pioneer of innovation in science and technology in Bicol. The NCF Robotics and Virtual Reality Center is a hub of technological discovery and hands-on learning, a big leap into the future. NCF is committed to excellence and has been largely investing in education infrastructure. This newly constructed Basic Education Department Building 1 and the ongoing construction of Building 2 is a testament to how the NCF is shaping the future of learning and its dedication to providing the best possible educational environment for our students. Welcome to the NCF One Media STAVR Media Laboratory. This laboratory is the center of creativity where imagination meets technology to shape the storytellers of tomorrow. A breeding ground for multimedia mastery and digital artistry. Now, this is the NCF Industrial World-Class Kitchen Laboratory where passion meets precision. Serving as a laboratory for our aspiring hospitality professionals, this state-of-the-art facility ensures students master the culinary arts from stove to plate. Looking back on my journey from a simple student to a proud beauty queen, I am overwhelmed with gratitude for the opportunities and support that have shaped me into who I am today. Each step of this tour reminded me of the lessons I learned, the friendships I forged, and dreams I was able to realize within these walls. To you, present and future Tigers, remember that greatness begins with belief. Belief in yourself, in your dreams, and in the unwavering pursuit of excellence. I shall forever carry with me the spirit of NCF, ang puso at dugong tigre. Thank you for joining me, and may your own path be filled with as much joy, growth, and beauty as mine has been. Again, this is Iris Ignacio Oresca, and I am a Tiger Champion.
The players, and the passion. This is your front row seat to sports action that never stops. I am SCHULAMAR MENIANO, and this is Sportified.
Bicol, known for its flavor, fire, and fierce culture, a new sound has been born. From Naga City comes a fresh wave of talent, energy, and empowerment. These girls are not just singing and dancing. They are rewriting what it means to be a Bicolana in the modern pop era. Hailing from Naga College Foundation, this group of student artists is the first ever P-pop girl group to emerge from the region, and they are ready to roar on stages big and small. They are not just performers, they are dreamers, role models, and trailblazers. Through grit, passion, and endless practice, they've been making waves online and offline. And this is only the beginning. Good day, Sportisans! Today's episode is one for the books. Join me as we sit down with the girl group that's making headlines, turning heads and putting Bicol on the P-pop map. Let's welcome the pride of Naga College Foundation, the bold, the fearless, the phenomenal ROAR.A. Now let's dive deeper into their story from humble beginnings to center stage. But before that, would you like to introduce yourselves?
Hi everyone, I'm Hanvi. I'm Lynn.
I'm Kai.
I'm Ses.
And I'm Ali, and we are
ROAR.A. Thank you so much. It's really nice meeting all of you. So before we proceed to our formal interview, I would like to get to know a little something about yourselves. So maybe you can tell us, how did you get into the P-pop girl group? Is it something that you've always been interested in?
Yeah. So, it started when I was 13 years old, and I was really into K-pop. And I practiced all day because it was pandemic, and like I did it for like my hobby. And then when the opportunity came, I tried to audition, but I didn't really know that it's for a K-pop group or P-pop rather. I thought it's just for singing contest, something like that, because I saw the post of NCF where the posters looks like a singing contest because the pictures has like this, something like that. And yeah, I auditioned and they made me sing and dance and sing and dance at the same time. And rap, they also made me rap. Yeah, and dance again. But I didn't audition with them. I was the first one to audition in ROAR.A, and it was on May last year, and there was only 2 auditionees during that time. And since I was the very first time, I didn't thought, or like I expected before that I didn't got in, because they sent me message like it's enrollee, like it's the first week of the school year already, and I thought that it's a very long time. I thought that I'm not into the group, but it turns out that they just lost my contact. Yeah, and it turns out that they've lost my contact, and they found me through my schoolmate, and she said to me, "Where are you? They're looking for you." Like, she thought that I'm a missing person because the council in our school, which is Kuya Cyber, sent a photo of me to their GC for the staff or for the students to find me. So that's my story. And
well, but before that, I want to get to Hanvi first. So, ano yung reaction mo when you can speak in Tagalog?
Oh,
you can
sorry.
speak in Bicol?
mas comfortable. Okay, try ko
Okay,
ng Tagalog.
Okay. Kahit ano language you're comfortable.
Sige.
Yeah. So, Hanvi, can you tell us a little something about your audition? So, ano yung song na ni-rap mo?
Oh my gosh! So, ang kinanta ko nun, like, yung sa I Dream the Dream, sa Les Miserables. Tapos, ang ni-rap ko is Bagsakan. Bagsakan! And, yeah, sample. Walang sample. Walang sample
Later,
ngayon.
magsasample.
Ala! And, ang sinayaw ko noon is yung Bloodline ni Ariana Grande. And, pre-practice ko yun ng isang gabi lang, like, one day, and then audition na, And then, yun, habang nag-audition ako, sinasayaw ko na yun. Since isang araw ko lang nga siya pre-practice, ang nangyari, sumasayaw ako, and then may tumitingin na mga band, kasi sumisilip sila. Tapos, Tapos habang sumasayaw ako, nakalimutan ko yung dance. Nakalimutan ko, nag-audition ako. And then, sabi ko, ay, wait lang po, pwede pong ulitin ko. Tumitingin kasi yung mga band, na gano'n na lang ako. Pero sa totoo lang, nakalimutan ko talaga yung sayaw ko. Sinabi ko na lang na, may tumitingin po kasi, gano'n. Pero nakalimutan ko talaga. And then, nagpalasot na lang ako. Tapos, sabi ko, ulitin ko na lang po, pero ibang sayaw na lang.
Doon na siya sa familiar ka.
Oo, doon na lang sa mas familiar akong sayaw kasi hindi ko maalala. Sa sobrang kaba ko na nung time na yun and may ano pa, like may nanonood pa. Sabi ko yung mas comfortable na dance na lang ako. And after noon, pinarap nga ako ng bagsakan. And then, pinatay nila ako. Sabi nila, wala ka bang alam na ano, something na P-pop or try mo mag-P-pop. Tapos, napakasikat pa nun ng bini yung pantropiko nila. Tapos, pinasayaw nila ako nun. And hindi ko naman alam yung sayaw. Kaya, nag-freestyle na lang ako. And pinasayaw nila ako habang kinakanta rin yung pantropiko.
So, during that time, sino yung nag-evaluate?
Si Sir Ben, si Ma'am Hazel, and si Kuya Saib. Yun lang naalala ko. Pero malabo na siya sa isip ko. Kasi
Malabo na siya sa isip.
ang tagal niya na hindi ko na maalala. Okay, silang tatlo lang yung naalala ko.
Parang napaka-memorable naman ng audition memory mo. Okay, let's hear it from our other Aurora members. How about Miss Ali?
Ako naman, we were actually batchmates. We are part of the second and probably the last batch of the audition. So, binigyan kami ng piece para aralin. Para sa akin, mahirap yun kasi it's for the dance. Yung Lagi song by Bini. So, ako personally, hindi ako masyadong mabilis matuto lalo ng sayaw kapag hindi tinuturo. That time, That time, pinanood ko lang. So, hindi ko rin natapos yung dance. Katulad ni Hanvi, na lang ako, gumawa ako ng sarili kong step. Pero yun, hindi ako talaga dancer. So, kaya nag-hesitate din ako na pumasok and mag-audition. And inisip ko na baka madami yung mag-audition. So, baka hindi ako mapili. And part din ako ng council. So, inisip ko paano kayo juggle yung responsibilities. Ayun, despite of the doubt, tinuloy ko since gusto ko i-pursue yung dream ko din na makapag-perform before ako mag-jump into the work field pag graduate na ako. So yan, tinuloy ko and nakuha and I am with the girls right now.
Wow, that's fantastic. Actually, from what you remember, I interviewed Miss Ali before as one of the Queen Tigers or as one of our pageantera or should I say beauty queens of NCF. So andito ulit siya, but not as a beauty queen, as a P-pop member. So how about our other Aurora members? May I know how you ended up?
Yung sa akin naman po is sobrang naboboard ako kasi yung schedule ko hindi masyadong mahirap that time. So sabi ko, I want something new and challenging. Tapos sakto, nung sumunod na weeks ata, merong message na naghahanap daw sila ng mag-audition for P-pop ba? Tapos yung message na yun is secret siya, parang hindi siya ina-announce sa public kasi nga, yun. And then, sabi ko, na-curious ako. Sabi ko, try ko nga. Sabi ko, ano kayo meron dito? Tapos, yung day na naka-schedule yung audition, may pasok din ako sa main. Tapos pumasok akong AVR. Sabi ko, sobrang madaming parang magagaling sila. Tapos umalis ako, papasok na lang ako. Hindi na ako mag-join. Tapos, after class, sabi ko, sige, audition ulit ako. Pasok ulit ako. Tapos, nasa pinakalikod po ako that time. Then, si Kuya Sai, kinukulit niya ako, sabi niya, mag-register na or mag-list na po ng name doon sa mag-audition. Then, sabi ko, yes, no. So, sige na nga. Tapos sulat na ako. Tapos yung habang naghihintay po that time, sabi ko, alis na lang ako. Kunyari hindi nila ako nakita. Tapos yun po, nung nag-start na, hindi na pa ako makaalis kasi tanda nila ako nasa likod ako, kasama ko po siya doon. Tapos kinakausap ko siya, sabi ko, nagsising ka? Nagda-dance ka? Tapos wala siyang sinisay, like, nagsismile lang. Tapos sabi ko, hala! Sabi ko, may ibubuga.
Nagsising ka, nagda-dance lang, wala, ganda lang. Binigay niyo lang.
Kaya nga po.
Face card lang.
Tapos, yun na yun. Di ko na matanda yung sasing. Alam mo ba yun? Maybe this time, yung in addition kong kanta. Tapos, nung chorus part na nagsasayaw sila, sir. Kasi uso yung maybe this time sa TikTok. Then, sa dance naman, yung same lang kay Hana, yung Pantropiko. Mabuti na lang, memorize ko yung steps doon. Tapos okay na po yung audition, tapos na siya. Tapos sabi ko, hindi nila ako pinarap. Tapos, sabi ko, mag-lunch lang ako, tapos pag balik ko, excuse me sir, di po pala ako nakarap. Pwede pong mag-rap. Humirit pa. Tapos sabi ni Sir Ben, sige. Tapos yun, nirap ko yung Kakaibib ni Donalyn Bartolome. So, yan na po yun.
That was your turning point.
Yes.
Turning point. Okay. That is very exciting also. Di ako makapaniwala na ganun pala yung mga story ninyo. Kaya we have 2 members left. So, pwede ba malaman namin kung ito bang P-pop girly group na to, ano ba siya? It's something na passionate kayo about ever since? Yes.
Ako po, nag-start po ako, sabay-sabay po kaya kami nag-audition, si Ali, si Ate Ses, si Kai, tapos siya po nauna. Nung una po, nag-hesitate po ako na mag-join, kasi po, singer po ako ng politician noon. Tapos, pinilit po ako ng governor namin. Sige na, para merong representative ang natin, ang department natin. Tapos, hindi po kasi ako nakakahindi. Super people pleaser ko po talaga. Kaya, wala akong magawa kundi, sige po, oo na lang. Hindi rin po kasi ako ganun kagaling sumayaw. Kaya, nagdadalawang isip talaga ako. Pero, pumunta pa rin po talaga ako doon. Tapos, nakita ko po si Ali noon, na-intimidate ako sa kanya. Kasi, hindi totoo, ang ganda niya, ang tangkad. Tapos, marunong sumayaw, ang ganda ko, ang galing kumanta. Tapos, makakapasok ba ako dito? Kasi, grabe ang standard. Nakita ko po kasi siya noon. Tapos, ayun. Tapos, kumanta na lang po ako doon. And, thankful naman po ako, nagandahan sila. Huwag lang sasayaw. Yun ang weakness ko talaga. Wala. Hanggang sa train, na-train naman na po nung training namin, na-train naman na po kami. So, siguro nag-improve, na-enhance yung skills ko kung meron. Yan.
Nagka-abs.
Yan po.
Absurd.
How about our last member?
Okay, so generally po kasi we all are passionate about singing and dancing. And napag-usapan na rin po namin yun na ever since we were little, parang dream na rin po namin to perform and also to showcase the talents. Tapos in my yung experience ko in auditioning, I was wearing lang po kasi noon, parang oversized shirt and pants. Tapos when I enter the AVR, naka-makeup sila. Naka-makeup, ang ganda ng outfit, like legit. Tapos parang like same with her, na-intimidate ako kay Ate Ali. Kasi siya yung una kong nakita kasi lumabas siya ng AVR, tapos papasok ako. So sabi ko, tutuloy pa ba? Hala. Pero at that time, parang, like, yung anong nalaman ko po kasi yung news sa GC namin, I thought na, sabi ko, I will give it a try. Kasi akala ko, for intrams lang siya. Alam mo po yung parang for singing and dancing, modern dance, ganon. Tapos nasa isip ko po, plus points din. So, okay, sige, go. Tapos, when, parang nung, naka-audition na po ako, sabi ko, okay, kung makapasok, edi okay. Kung hindi, edi okay rin. Tapos when I was contacted na, okay, you're on for the final screening, sabi ko, hala, kaya ko ba to? Akala ko it's for the intrams lang. Yun pala, it's for the P-pop talaga na yung outside school, ganon. So, parang nag-contemplate ako na kung pupunta pa ba ako ng final screening or hindi. Tapos that's when I entered the final screening. Tapos ang first na na-meet ko is siya. Tapos naka-makeup din siya. So sabi ko, hindi na naman ako ready. Naka-all black lang ako. So, naka-heart pa siya, naka-makeup pa siya, naka-bun pa siya. So parang nung time na yun, I thought na, if hindi ako makapasok sa final screening, edi it's okay, at least I tried. Pero yun pala, kami na pala yung final. So, it was, parang doon na rin po in-announce na, okay, so for this final screening, you're the official members and we will like enhance your talents, tapos i-showcase na namin kayo outside the school, ganyan. So, like, yun, pero like, generally naman po talaga, it was our dream. It is our dream, like, to perform and to Kaya, din kami, like, hands-on din kami when it comes to performing.
So, like you mentioned earlier, na we have yung handlers ninyo, they mentioned na i-enhance pa yung skills niyo. How long did it take for your skills to be refined until mag-debut kayo?
Actually, wala kaming pre-debut stage because ang last namin, like evaluation, yung last round ng pagpili ng members is nung maalala ko mga September yon. And then biglang nagka-bagyo, di ba? So hindi kami nakapag-prepare talaga. And yung pinaka first naming performance is December. Like pa lang galing sa bagyo. So wala talagang preparation. Pero, mga yun?
Like, there was a preparation naman po, but it was like a short span of time lang. Especially kasi parang na rin kasi yung for Christmas ID. That was our first performance din. Kaya, we were, parang, hindi naman po sa nag-hall sa oras, but like, in a short span of time, we need to prepare for that. Tapos, isa lang na kaagad. So, we weren't able to have that lot of time to train talaga.
Tulad ng sa K-pop talagang years and years, hindi ganun. Pero as we move forward naman, like kada practice namin, doon namin binabawi yung mga hindi namin nagawa nung before kami i-debut. Doon kami nagbabawi.
So actually, you mentioned about the typhoon,
Yeah.
So how has the typhoon affected all of you actually as a trainees, or should I say as a pre-debut members of ROAR-A? How has it affected you?
Since it was like kasagsagan po siya ng like right after the final screening, parang at that time personally naisip ko po na baka it's also time for us to parang prepare ourselves then into like the mindset of, okay, magte-training kami, we're already in a P-pop group, ganyan. But at the same time, I think parang nakakapanghinayang din po yung days and also like parang a month din yun a month na parang wala rin. Tapos right after the typhoon, parang balik na kaagad for classes. So parang nag-hold din po talaga sa time, tas nag-mix pa yung schedules when it comes to academics kasi humahabol din. So at that time, I think there was also a time na parang it was also the hardest for us. Kasi, yun nga, it was already in a short span of time. Tapos, nasa public na kami. So, we need to really, really adjust. Not just adjust when it comes to our time, but also adjust when it comes to our, like, bodies, when it comes to trainings, ganyan. Kasi, hindi lang po kasi siya basta-basta performance. Like hawak namin yung name ng school, hawak din namin yung name ng group. So it was hard for us, but at the same time that challenge like honed us into becoming better when it comes to trainings. Tapos it was also a stepping stone for us to be better as a group, tapos individually din po.
Okay, napakaganda actually ng story since it was difficult for almost all of us here in not just in Naga but also in Bicol. But setting that aside, madami na curious, including me, about the name of your group. So saan ba galing yung ROAR-A?
The main point po kasi is that the group name ROAR-A was derived from two two reasons. Like first is the aurora borealis, which means like it is magical, it is like the beauty, ganyan. And also the roar part, it is when it comes to the institution. Like the school is the home of the tigers. So hindi naman din po nila left out yung name of the institution. So it was like basically the combination of two po.
Okay, would anyone want to add something to that? Okay, so you mentioned that you are carrying the name of the institution in your group. So how does it feel to carry that pressure?
Para po sa amin nakaka-pressure po. Kasi school po ang hawak namin and kailangan maganda po yung image na ipakita namin na hindi lang po kami lalabas dyan na walang kaayos-ayos or pupunta sa kung saan-saan na lugar na makakasira po sa reputation ng school and reputation po namin. So, very nakaka-pressure po talaga.
But at the same time po, it is a huge and a great privilege for us to inspire our fellow students as well na if kaya namin na mag-handle ng maraming bagay, nag-aaral habang nagpupursue ng dream, and kaya din nila. And privilege din to para sa amin na maging role model since we consider ourselves as public figure na rin. And sana nagagawa namin yun. And nakikita naman namin na aside from natutuwa and na-entertain yung mga tao, may natatawag na rin kaming mga fans. And masaya kami doon.
Yeah. Very happy to hear that. But speaking of which, since you are carrying the name of the institution, how has the institution helped your journey when it comes to being a P-pop girl group?
So, since debut nga, palagi nila kaming gina-guide kapag halimbawa sa mga practices, mga vocal practices, gina-guide nila kami, lalo na si Sir Ben, siya yung nagtitrain sa amin sa vocals, and sa dance naman si Kuya 𝐂𝐑. Yeah, every practices, they enhance our skills and they encourage us to like improve them more. And kapag may mga performances din, always silang nandyan para support kami. And lalo na si Kuya Saib na palagi kaming alaga and inaasikaso sa kada performances and ano pa man na activity namin. And palagi siyang nag-shower ng affectionate words, like ina-encourage niya kami kapag nafe-feel down. Same din po kina Sir Ben and si Kuya 𝐂𝐑. Ganun po sila. Kasi since madaming pressure sa amin and sometimes we really doubt ourselves kung kaya ba namin to, kung para sa amin ba to. Kasi sometimes you doubt yourself na parang mas may marami pang taong mas may talent sa'yo and mas maganda sa'yo. Pero bakit ikaw? And kapag nandun na kami sa time na yun, they are the ones who encourage us and tell us na kayo ang karapat-dapat dito and you should trust yourselves. Like, ganun sila sa amin.
Okay. And totoo yan na yung support from Sir Vince, Ma'am Hazel, kay Cyber, Sir JM, sa lahat ng team po na tumulong para bumuo sa group namin. Sila po yung pinakamalaking foundation or huge factor kung bakit kami nagka-continue. Kasi totoo yung sinabi ni Hanvi na maraming time na nagda-doubt kami. Minsan, iba-iba lang. Yung isa, Gina G. Yung isa naman, parang parang nagda-doubt siya, hindi lang sa sarili. Minsan, saan ba papunta yung group natin, ganyan. Pero at the same time, kami yung support system ng isa't isa and nahanap namin yung peace and comfort ng bawat isa sa kada member.
Oh, that's great. So it means na maganda yung connection ninyo all throughout yung sa journey ninyo. How about, would anyone want to answer that?
Sorry po. Sa ano po, during and after performance, ganyan, ginagather din po nila kami kung paano magiging maayos yung performance namin. So, and minsan din po, after performance, sinasabi nila kung saan kami dapat ayusin yung mali namin during the performance. Kapag like ganito ang hawak mo sa mic, yung vocals, yung tonado, ganyan. Tapos di rin po maiwasan na sumama yung loob, pero tinitake na lang namin po yun as a lesson para sa group na mag-improve po.
Okay, so let's move on naman when it comes to the challenges. Kasi like you all mentioned, the pressure, not just the pressure but also the time management. It's very difficult to keep up with the girl group or with the group when you are studying at the same time. And not to mention na meron kayong mga competitions. Here in our city, medyo nauuso na yung girl group, or P-pop after Beanie, right? So moving on, like you mentioned earlier, the pressure, the time management, the efforts. Did you face challenges starting as a P-pop group outside of Manila? Kasi when you say P-pop, most of the time nasa loob yan ng Manila or somewhere na popular. And our city, unfortunately, it's not as popular as the others.
Since the question like parang it is centralized into the challenges, since it is really a fact na parang when it comes to Manila kasi it is a big city, so the opportunities and also the exposure is much higher than cities like us, like Naga City. But at the same time, I think it is also the opportunities also aligns with, like for example, the interviews, like the exposure in interviews, parang ganon. But when it comes to showcasing the talents naman, I think big or small, however big or small the city is, parang the love of showcasing the talents, it like hindi naman siya maaalis, especially when it comes to entertaining people. Parang yun naman talaga yung main goal into like what P-pop girl group is. So hindi naman din mawawala yung alam mo yung comparison when it comes to Manila girl groups or any other cities girl groups. But I think the common ground lang din is to showcase the talents and also to bring entertainment and also to bring opportunities for people like us na you're not just someone na for academics lang ganon, like you're more than that, like you can achieve your own goal when you set your mind to it. So parang ganon.
So one of the challenges as well na kinakaharap namin as a group, to answer that question, is yung it is really inevitable for people to compare us in bigger groups. Since we are a growing artist and nagsisimula pa lang kami, we are institution-based group. But I think that what's important here is that we still have the eagerness and the willingness to learn and improve our skills and our personality to be ready for bigger stages in the future.
Yes, and it takes a lot of resiliency, Adi, to be able to keep on practicing, keep on training to be better. Napakahirap, especially if you are a student. No? And we're going to that next question about that, regarding that. So you must have busy days with school and rehearsals. So how do you manage your time and energy? And alam ko na madami kayong ganap. Kasi like Miss Ali over here, she's part of the student council. And how about our other members?
Since po iba't iba po kami ng course, so iba't ibang schedule po yung binibigay namin sa kada isa. So pinaglalaanan po talaga namin ng oras. So nanghingi po kami ng excuse letter para lang po makapagpaalam sa mga deans, sa prof po namin. And also po may sinasacrifice po talaga kami. Like sa akin na lang po. Dati po kasi singer po ako ng politician, nag-work po ako outside Naga, yan. Sinacrifice ko po yun for this group. Kasi po, naniniwala po ako na may mararating po kami na mas big, yun po. And also, gusto ko rin po kasing ma-inspire yung kapwa ko student na hindi lang po kami pang ACADS, na kaya pa po namin na to do better, kaya pa po namin na ipamalas yung talentong meron kami. Yun.
So sa akin naman po, yung time na nasa-sacrifice ko po is yung time para sa family ko. Since ano kasi kapag sobrang burnout na ako sa ACADS, kailangan ko talagang umuwi, hindi pwedeng hindi. Kasi yun din yung time na kailangan ko makahugot ng lakas from my family. So sobrang nakakapagod siya at the same time kasi wala yung time na magre-recharge ako.
Kasi since sila kasi guys na may mga mga viewers. Wala man kasing name sa fandom namin, so guys na muna. So mga members ko guys, very busy talaga sila. Si Ate Norlene nagkakanta, tawag dun? Nagigig siya minsan. Si Kai, nag-work siya guys. Yeah, talaga. Strong yan guys, independent woman. Yeah. Si Ate says, sa family talaga. Kasi si Ate says, malayo yung bahay nila taga Partido. Kaya kailangan niya ng time para makauwi. Ganun. Tapos si Ate Ali naman, yan, marami siyang mga pageant. And nagigigs ka pa ba ate? So nagigigs din siya minsan. Ako naman guys, wala lang. Ako kasi guys, lang ako focus lang ako sa pag-aaral. Focus lang ko dyan guys.
Tapos kikrush.
Hindi! Hindi Nag-aaral ako ng mabuti sa library. Guys, ganito sa interview. So yan, nag-aaral ako ng mabuti guys. Ulit-ulit na ako.
Paano siya nagpa-vlog?
Mahilig mo siya mag-aral sa library.
Active din ako sa church namin, pero after kong sumali sa ROAR.A, nililesen ko na lang yung mga activities na sinasalihan ko sa church namin. Yan ang sinacrifice ko. And actually, sinasacrifice ko yung mga time ko sa self ko and sa family since madami rin nga gawain sa school. So kapag may hindi ko to pinapakita sa kanila kasi kapag usually magkakasama kami for practices, ganon. Wala akong ginagawang iba, kundi mag-practice lang talaga pag sa practice. Hindi ako nag-aaral, hindi ako nag-gumaganon. Kasi ginagawa ko siya sa bahay or somewhere na mag-isa lang ako. So hindi nila nakikita ganon ka-busy ako. Like, pinapakita ko sa kanila na, okay, free ako sa ganito, free ako palagi. Pero sa totoo lang, nasa sacrifice ko din yung mga time for myself and for my family. Ganun. Kailangan mo talagang i-manage kapag may vacant time ka, doon mo nagawin lahat-lahat para wala kang sagasaan ng schedule. Kasi pag may nasagasaan kang schedule, marami yung maapektuhan. So, kailangan mo talagang i-manage sa mga free time.
I agree with Hanwi over here. Kasi we are not just students, we are also a friend, a sister, a partner. We are also working at the same time. And that's me too. I'm not just a host, I'm also working. Kailangan ko din kumita para pares kaming strong, independent too. But anyways, feeling ko madami na kayong napagdaanan. Kaya naman, ano yung pinaka-unforgettable moments ninyo together? Meron ba?
For me personally, like, feel ko sa every training naman unforgettable. Hindi, pero I think one of the most unforgettable moments for me is whenever, like, after trainings po kasi, we make it a hobby na kumain sa labas. Like, kung lamon. Like, after training, sige, lamon. Like, for me, it is one, like, parang out of being a girl group. It is also our bonding, especially when especially when we have spontaneous gala na, limba, let's go eat after training. So it's also one of my unforgettable moments kasi we get to talk about life, we get to talk about how we are doing, parang ganyan. Kamusta kayo, ganyan. Kasi totoo naman po, when it comes to training, like, focus din naman po talaga kami sa training. May konting play part, but at the same time, focus din talaga po kami into the act itself, which is training. So, it really is, kaya whenever, kahit 0 days na, kapag nag-aya talaga sila na, alika, kain tayo sa labas, sumasama po talaga ako. Kasi it is the time for me to, ask them na, kumusta kayo? Get to know them na, how are they doing recently. Tapos doon din po kami nakapag-chika kasi girls talk pa. Parang ganon. Mga secret pa. Na-crush niya. Parang ganon.
Parang revelation yun dito sa show. How about our other members? I would like to hear from them.
Yung unforgettable moment po with the girls is yung nag-perform po kami sa Avenue Plaza ba yun? Avenue Plaza po yung first appearance po namin outside school na ang audience po namin is mga business owners. So, that time po, ang happy lang po sa feeling kasi mga malalaking tao yung pinag-performan namin and malalaki talaga. Higante. Mga business owner po kasi. And masaya din po ako na natuwa sila sa performance na ipinakita namin kahit yun yung first time appearance namin outside the school po. Yan po.
May mic pala ako. Yung akin naman, siguro yung last performance namin sa the 10th Avenue for CBM Melodic Fest. Short performance lang yun. 2 song lang. Yung una is yung original namin and second is a cover, dance cover. Tapos, after kasi noon, after the performance, after the rest of all the performers, na-enjoy namin ng sobra yung gabi. Like, parang pumunta kami doon not as a guest performer. Parang na-enjoy namin, na-own namin yung party. So, hindi rin namin na-feel na lang kami, tayo lang doon. Parang nakijoin kami sa lahat ng nandun mismo sa event. And isa yun sa pinaka-core memory for me. And aside from that, sa performances yon. Pero, yung pinaka-favorite ko naman sa amin, sa bond namin, nasabi ko na rin to sa isa sa mga interview namin, pag nag-share kami ng secrets talaga. Kasi alam naman namin na yung secrets na yon is hanggang sa amin lang. And more on girl talks talaga. Mga crushes, ganun.
Yeah. Parang nag-curious tuloy ako. Sasali ako sa girl talk mamaya. No, I'm just kidding. But how about Hanvi? I would like to hear. Kasi siya yung kanina, di ba? Natao. So,
Ako, besides sa mga performances, I really like the mga overnight namin sa school. Because ang mga member, mga matatakotin sila. And ako, hindi ako matatakotin. So ako, lumalakad-lakad lang ako sa mga dark places. Pero sila, ano yun? Ganun sila. And nagagalit ako kasi, ano pa man? Ganyan kami. And kapag nakakatakot siya kasi yung lumang building, doon kami nag-sleep over. And sometimes yung mga schedule namin is very early in the morning. So ang ginagawa namin, naliligo kami, gabi na. And since kami lang nandun, nakakatakot siya talaga. Pero very fun na din siya. So yun yung mga
feeling ko sa inyong 5, si Hanvi yung mahilig manakot or mahilig mang-kiss. Mang-trip. Yun talaga siya.
Si Kai po!
Hindi kasi halata eh. Kasi,
siya ngayon.
ibang persona siya. How about Ate Ses?
Yung unforgettable moment po as a group, yung first appearance namin sa school as a girl group na talaga. That time po, may nangyari before the performance. So, naka-standby na po kami. Ano ba yun? Siguro, anxiety attack ata po ako noon. And then, grabe po yung pressure na feel. Hindi lang po ako, sila din. Kasi, hindi po sure kung magiging okay ba ako tapos makakapag-perform kami. So, yun. Kailangan kong maging okay para sa group and para sa performance namin. So, ayoko mapahiya since first appearance nga namin yun. Yan lang po.
Thank you so much, Sess, and thank you so much, Aurora, for sharing your inspiring story. You're proof that dreams can start anywhere, even right here in Bicol. Before we continue, a huge thank you to NCF Center for Research Training and Development for supporting this feature. If you're looking for a cozy and productive space, visit them at the second floor of Lemon Residences, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City. Especially if you're an NCF student. And while you're there, drop by Tiger's Cafe 3 located along Magsaysay Avenue in Naga City. It's a comfortable, welcoming spot where students and the community can relax, meet, or get that well-deserved caffeine boost. Do visit them. Don't go away, you're watching Sportify.
Keep chasing greatness, don't stop, stop, Sportify your spirit, make it pop,
Every great success story starts with the right foundation, and at Naga College Foundation, we've been building those stories for years. Here, we don't just teach, we empower. We don't just educate, we inspire. This is where your winning journey begins.
Whether you're a dreamer, a doer, or a visionary, NCF is the place that prepares you to achieve greatness. It's not just about the future, it's about today, taking the steps that make you a winner in every sense, with an affordable tuition, quality education, and excellence in 22 sports programs, which NCF only has in a whole Bicol region.
At NCF, we've built a system that's designed for one thing, your success. The strength of NCF is in its system, a system built for real-world readiness. From modern facilities to internship that bring learning to life, we ensure you gain the skills that matter. It's a system that's designed with your future in mind.
Join us as we take you through the world-class facilities and departments that have shaped some of the most successful graduates, from leaders in business to innovators and technology to change makers in health and society.
The College of Arts and Sciences is where curiosity meets creativity. With state-of-the-art laboratories and innovative curriculum, the students in CADs are not only gaining knowledge, they're creating breakthroughs. At the College of Criminal Justice Education, we turn passion into profession. Our students are immersed in practical training and a real-world application, becoming expert in law enforcement, criminology, and legal studies.
The College of Business Management is a breeding ground for future CEOs, entrepreneurs, and business leaders. With cutting-edge facilities and industry partnerships, CBM students are prepared to lead with innovation and vision. At the College of Accountancy and Finance, we are molding future financial leaders with access to modern accounting software, hands-on practice and financial management, and a focus on real-world financial strategies. CAF prepares you to tackle the complexities of global markets.
The College of Health Sciences is where tomorrow's healthcare leader takes shape. Whether it's nursing, medical technology, or biology, our students are immersed in the latest technology and real-world medical practices.
At the College of Engineering, we don't just teach you how to solve problems, we teach you how to create solutions. Our students are equipped with the tools and the knowledge to tackle the challenges of tomorrow, from infrastructure to technology and everything in between. The College of Computer Studies is where technology comes to life. Here, students dive deep into software development, IT, and computer professionals to become digital leaders who shape the tech industry.
The College of Teacher Education is where future educators learn to inspire, lead, and make a difference. With hands-on teaching opportunities and access to modern teaching tools, seated students are equipped to become teachers who shape minds and mold future generations. Ready to join the ranks of NCF's successful alumni? Your journey begins here.
And we will always be called as tigers with fierce fangs and claws to conquer the burning success.
We are the home of the champions. As we create honorable titles and names for our institution, we leap into the future as we engage ourselves into modernity and innovation. Rise with the strength of tigers. Choose NCF.
Keep chasing greatness. Don't stop. Stop. Fortify your spirit. Make it pop.
Welcome back, Sportizens! You're still tuned in to our special episode with ROAR.A, the first ever P-pop girl group in Bicol from Naga College Foundation. Once again, thank you to NCF Center for Research, Training and Development and to NCF Tigers Cafe 3 for providing spaces that inspire growth, connection, and community. Whether you're a student or a visitor, you're always welcome to drop by and experience it yourself. And guys, don't miss out on the famous coffees and quality food at Tigers Cafe 3. It's a high-end spot that offers comfort and class in every cup. My personal favorite is the Lenny Latte. Sobrang sarap, promise, you have to try it. And also, 15% sales goes to the 𝐒𝐏𝐬𝐿 charity. But anyways, going back, we've got our girls here. So we've heard their story. Now let's dive into their milestones, recognition, and what's next for these rising stars. So let's move on to the next part of our interview, since we have the Lenny Latte. But before that, kamusta naman yung lattes? Masarap.
Ganun katamis. And perfect.
Ay, wow, perfect. Pwede na siya pang advertising.
Yeah.
Marketing students ka naman talaga. Yeah, but anyways, let's talk about your journey again as a P-pop girl group here in Naga. So what was your very first public performance like, and how did it feel to perform as a ROAR?
Our first appearance is yung December for the Christmas ID of the institution. The title of the song is Paskong May Pagkakaisa. So that song is really, it is intended to touch the people's hearts talaga. Kasi the lyrics of the song is inspired dun sa mga difficulties and trials na na-experience ng mga tao for the past month, which is the exact month kung kailan nangyari yung Typhoon Christine. And we all know na most of the places here sa lugar natin is lumubog sa baha. So through that song, we connect to people. We try to encourage, to uplift them, and to give hope as well. And kaya naging special din yung first appearance namin is dahil dun sa song na yon. And yung experience naman namin, yung kinuwento kanina ni Ses na medyo hindi okay yung feeling niya before the performance. So nung naka-standby kami, medyo in-attack siya ng anxiety. So we are worried na baka hindi kayanin ni Ses na makapag-perform. First appearance namin yon. Dagdag pa na nag-worry kami sa mga first impression ng mga tao. But it turned out so well na ang dami nag-cheer agad. Pero hindi naman namin naiwasan na may mga taong mako-confuse sino sila, ganyan. Pero at least nakita namin na may mga taong nakaka-appreciate ng talent namin.
How about our other members? Would you like to share with our viewers kung kamusta naman yung experience nyo? Han! Ito si Han, my favorite. Siya yung makulit eh. Siya na muna.
So, actually, yung experience ko doon is like, yung na-feel ko during that time is like, it's so funny for me. Like, it's so enjoyable and funny for me because ang mga tao, hindi pa kami kilala. And like, nako-confuse pa sila kung sino ba tong mga babaeng to? Ba't sila nagpo-perform?
May itong babaeng ito.
Ganon. And then, pero, it's so fun because yung mga classmates ko, mga ka-department ko, nandun sila during that time and chini-cheer nila kami. And isa sa mga favorite part ko during that performance is yung kila Ate Ses ata, yung experience nyo.
Yung...
Sige, share nyo guys. I-share nyo.
Yung kay...
So, yung fun experience is, like, since it was our first time, nangangapa pa kami sa energy ng ng crowd. Tapos when it comes to performing po kasi normally si Hanvi talaga yung parang nanga-hype. Siya yung hyper ba?
Ganon siya.
So, let's go NCF, parang ganon. Ganon siya. Doon sa side namin, sa side namin ng crowd, fun fact lang kasi, parehas kasi may introvert. So, parang nangangapa talaga kami. Wala kami pa. Hindi, pero... Hindi, pero since parehas kaming introvert, as in, kinakapa namin yung vibe ng crowd, yung audience, kung ano yung ma-enjoy nila, ganon. Then, may part kasi na need na namin bumalik sa center. Kasi, it was the last scene and it was the, Paskong may pagkakaroon. Parang gano'n na.
I-hype namin.
Oo. Tapos, nung hina-hype namin, I lost track of time. So, nandun pa ako sa crowd, tapos sila, nakalinya na sila. Tapos, si Ate Seth, siya po kasi yung panganay. So, parang organizing talaga kasi siya sa time. Tapos, sa blockings din, ganon. Sinundo niya na ako. Sabi niya sa akin, tama na, be. So, bumalik kami sa line, tapos... Patapos na, oh. Tama na. Malis ka na dyan. Tapos, yun. It was funny for me kasi nandun na ako sa time, nandun na ako sa vibe. Tapos biglang sinundo na ako. Pero sinundo ako ni Lord na, tama na, it's your time. Punta na tayo dito. Tapos may video pa nun, so...
Parang sinundo.
Sinundo talaga ako ni Lord. Siya si Lord.
Grabe naman. Wag naman muna. But anyways, is that all? Or would you like to? Kasi Seth already shared her experience earlier. So.
And at some point po, yung first appearance namin, meron din po mga negative comments about sa amin. Pero yung mga negative comments na yun, hindi naman po nakakapagpatanggal ng motivation sa amin. Bagkus nagbibigay po siya ng lakas sa amin para magpatuloy and mag-improve pa.
That's good to know. Kasi gano'n naman talaga yung journey. Especially na hindi masyadong malaki yung city natin. So, when you introduce something new to the community, medyo masya-shock pa sila. Kasi it's new. It's new to their mind. It's new for their eyes. It's a new form of entertainment, di ba? But anyways, are there any upcoming projects, collaborations, or music releases that we should watch out for?
So we you all know naman na we already performed our first single, O Pag-ibig, and we already performed our first single, which is O Pag-ibig, and ilang performances na rin naman yung na-perform namin by that song. So actually we will ask you to look forward sa kasi very soon we will be releasing it sa Spotify, and also we're already preparing for the MV, and we are asking you to wait for it and also to look forward to it and also to support us when it comes out. So, and also when it comes to additional projects.
Maybe do you have any events you're planning to attend this month or this upcoming weeks?
As of now, wala pa naman po. Pero
we're planning to make another music for this summer. But it's not final yet. Pero we're planning and organizing it now with Sir Ben and Sir JM.
Alright. So now, lastly, since most of the viewers ngayon is probably some of your fans, family members, your mentors. So, do you have any messages for the ones who stayed with you all throughout your journey?
For me po.
Iiyak na siya.
I would like to take this opportunity. Wow! Mababaw po kasi luha ko. Hindi, magte-thank you lang po ako sa mga taong ito dahil naniwala po sila sa amin. Naniwala sila sa kakayahan namin na kaya din namin mag-perform inside and outside the school, which is sila Ma'am Hazel, Sir Venrich, si Sir JM, si Sir Bon, si Kuya Cyber, and si Kuya KD. Yan, thank you po sa inyo dahil naniwala po kayo sa kakayahang meron kami. And to all the students po na nanonood sa interview na to, magiging, wait lang, nag-iisip ako ng thought. Hindi. Ang sasabihin ko lang sa inyo is, hindi lang tayo pang-ACADS lang, kundi meron pa tayong ibubuga. Meron tayong talento na pwede natin i-share sa isa't isa. Wala na akong maisip.
Wala. I think that's okay.
all.
How about Ali?
Unang-una siguro sa mga heads or sa mga taong nagmamanage sa amin. Yan sila Cyber. Hello, si Sir JM, Sir Bon, Ma'am Hazel and Sir Venrich, and KD din, which is our dance coach. Thank you so much kasi with the help of your collaborative effort, talagang nag-i-improve kami and kitang-kita namin yun sa sarili namin. Thank you sa lahat ng understanding and consideration na binibigay nyo for us to hone ourselves to do better and to develop as an artist, as an individual. And to our fans, alam ko, di pa kayo ganun karami, pero sana soon, yung number of fans natin is mag-increase na din kasabay ng pag-release namin ng mga new songs, and sana abangan nyo rin yung mga upcoming projects namin. As of now, performances is wala pa masyadong performance para abangan, pero our next project to be released is yung music video ng aming first ever single, which is Pag-ibig. Thank you.
Thank you so much to our girlies,
po.
the ROAR.A members, for accepting our invitation to be interviewed here on Sportify. To our viewers today, we've seen that dedication, teamwork, and creativity can bring out world-class talent from anywhere, even right here in Bicol. Their story is one of courage to step out, to stand tall, and to sing loudly for the region they represent. They aren't just performers, they are trailblazers, inspiring the next generation of artists right here in Bicol. Once again, a huge thank you to our partners, NCF Center for Research, Training and Development, and NCF Tigers Cafe 3 for supporting young talents, dreamers, and the future of Bicolano excellence. And don't forget to visit Tigers Cafe 3. Their quality coffee and food are next level. Personal recommendation again, guys, the Lenny Latte. Ang sarap talaga, guys. As you can see, our girlies enjoyed it very much. And other than that, we would like to add that enrollment is still ongoing. Be part of Community of Champions. Visit www.ncf.edu.ph. This is Sportify, where we feature not just athletes, but all who strive for excellence in their passion. See you next time, Sportisans. The grind, the glory, and the guts. We live it, we breathe it, and we bring it to you every time. Ihahatid namin ang pinakamalaki at bidang liga. Catch us every Saturday, and don't forget to follow and subscribe to our official Facebook page, GNN TV 48 Naga, Bida ang Bicolano, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Keep pushing limits and keep chasing greatness. I am SCHULAMAR MENIANO, and this is Sportify.
Bakit kaya lagi sa tuwing nandyan ka? Mga problema ay aking kinakaya. Para manamdamin ko'y biglang gumagaan. Ang gusto ko'y kaya aking pasalamatan. Pag-ibig ba itong nararamdaman? Bakit nga ba ako'y naguguluhan? Mga alaalang kay sarap na balikan. Nandito ka lagi sa puso at isipan. Di ka nawawala. You're always here by my side. Di ko alam ang mangyayari pag tumigil. Di ko man masabi, sana ito'y hayaan at ituloy mo pa. O pag-ibig. din ay nadarama ko na lagi na akong nakangiti, diba? Lagi nang ikaw ang iniisip, you're the one na miss it.
Sana naman hindi ka mawala, just stay by my side, yeah. Dahil kahit na ano pang harapin, ay kakayanin ang pag-ibig ko sa'yo, hindi ko lilimutin.
Di ka nawawala, you're always here by my side. Di ko alam ang mangyayari pag tumigil. Di ko man masabi, sana ito'y hayaan at ituloy mo pa. O pag-ibig, o pag-ibig na iba ang aking nadarama. O pag-ibig, o pag-ibig na kaya. Pag-ibig na ba? O pag-ibig na ba? Huwag ka na mangangamba, alam ko na ito na nga ang tunay na nadarama ng puso ko sa'yo. Dati ay nalilito ngayon ay sigurado na sa'yo kapag kita. At bakit sana mawala ka pa ng tulo ako lagi sa'yo tabi. Pag-ibig na pag-ibig na ba? O pag-ibig na
Keep chasing greatness, don't stop, stop. Fortify your spirit, make it pop, pop. Oh, rugged champion.